Pay attention, you are about to merge into the main road. Do not cross the poison line, otherwise you will be caught on camera and fined. Signal and merge at the dashed line, making sure to yield to vehicles on the main road. Otherwise you will be held liable for any accidents. At this location, pay attention to the signs above. This intersection is special. Vehicles making U-turns jump to the far right lane. If you want to make a U-turn, you must move to the far right lane in advance. In intersections with both U-turn and left turn lanes, you can only make a U-turn in the U-turn lane. You cannot make a U-turn in the left turn lane. The lanes at the intersection are misaligned. The left lane is adjacent to the intersection. If a car turns left, it will affect our safety. We need to be mindful of this. If it's a left turn, as long as it doesn't change lanes. It's not our problem. Pay more attention to your right rear. If there's a car behind you on your right rear, it might hit us. We need to speed away from this danger zone. It's their problem if they turn left, but we can't let them affect our safety. There's another left turn ahead. Some cars might not notice and get caught behind them. When we pass, we need to be quick and swerve to avoid sudden changes in direction. At the end of the lane, cars entering the roundabout should give way to cars exiting the roundabout. But not everyone understands this. We can only give way voluntarily. It might save money, but it can't save lives. Pay attention. There's clearly an intersection ahead, but there's a no right turn sign next to it. This means that this intersection is for one-way traffic only. Of course, it doesn't mean we can drive in one direction, but it means oncoming traffic. Therefore, when passing through this kind of entrance, we must pay attention to oncoming traffic. Again, in principle, they are ours. But I won't say more. Notice that this electric tricycle, although it has a lane and is positioned in front of it, is blocking traffic and is driving close to the lane line. Therefore, its intention is to change lanes. At this point, we don't need to rush in. Wait until there's enough space before pulling over. Be especially careful with these parked vehicles. They might start moving and change lanes at any time. We need to leave appropriate space and keep our distance. Honestly, sometimes I admire the composure of people who cross the street without looking. I certainly couldn't do that. Note that there's a car turning left ahead, but it might be blocked by the car next to it and not be seen. If this drive was helpful, please give it a like to show your support. Thank you.